सकाळी एक PUC मीटिंग आली आणि त्याच्यानंतर आय थिंक द स्पीकर हॅड कॉल्ड अ फ्यू पीपल टू हिज चेंबर अँड ही कॉल्ड मी रिगार्डिंग सर्टन क्लॅरिफिकेशन्स रिगार्डिंग PUC and PAC committees on the existence which comes under the jurisdiction of the speaker. So there was a discussion and certain views were exchanged. PAC and PUC meeting यांना convene झालं आहे. It goes from the legislators forum. Goes from the legislators forum under the hand which comes under the speaker. So there were some things saying that illegal meetings झाले हो आणि meeting legal nahi and whatever. So I think the speaker has given clarifications today in the morning as well. Elton DeCosta's PAC committee was reconstituted on 10th of February 2023, which is valid for 2 years. That ends 24, which ends on 26. 2 years as per the committee. And the PUC committee was reconstituted in the financial year, which is valid up to 31st March 2025. So basically everything is in public domain. And as I said, reports, whatever are discussed in the while we discuss about certain paras, some reports, some newspapers brought up that certain queries which were not in the PUC. So these things were also discussed. Example, smart city, एक point आयला that doesn't come under my purview because it comes and it is not highlighted also by CAG. So these particular things, whatever I think the speaker, that whatever on our part, we explain.
So what part came on about the smart city? What was the issue?
No. There was a report about the smart city para Gilnam. Now, what is our jurisdiction is maybe what is discussed is the ambit is within periphery of CAG points. So that comes under Public Accounts Committee, and also it particularly there was some representation in a newspaper that I as PUC chairman didn't take it. That is what the clarification was given.
How what you explained?
petition file केल्ले हेचेर आनी मागीर ती petition file केली गोवा फाउंडेशन.
There's a petition.
Goa Foundation.
आयज येयल्ले
I said the whole thing to have this was, let me be very clear. The whole thing to have this meeting was to get clarification. If this PUC and PAC meetings are valid, are enforced or not. So the Honorable Speaker, those who have written saying that this were not valid, meetings were all not valid, committees are not valid, that has been clarified by the Honorable Speaker. My committee, which I am as the chairman, PAC is valid up to 2026, 31st March 2026. Let me be very clear. And PUC chairman has letter of opposition. This is 31st March 2025. So apart from the Bitorkit Zala, they will discuss. But main thing, what Saban Kontari feed kon kitare sangile ani. You see, we as y'all are the fourth pillar of democracy, press and we have high regards for you. But through some miscommunication, kitare zale, and we don't want to blame you. But in fact, we wanted to clarify, and we are satisfied with the whatever clarification the Honorable Speaker has given to the people who had come. Our friends only. Then it has been clarified that both the committees are valid. It is not chairman. It is our duty, and we are appointed to give justice to that post. And being a PUC and PSC chairman, extra staff, we are handling both this. Check meetings kitli kelay to. So we are working on it, and definitely we will give justice to that post.